Hello,
Hi, my name is Alexandra. What is your name?
my name is Mohammed Ramzan.
Mohammed. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I am from India.
From India. Okay.
Yes.
I'm from Romania.
Oh, wow. Romania.
Yes.
Okay, great.
hmm so just to let you know that unfortunately, I have to disconnect in 6 minutes. But if
Okay,
you
no
want to
problem.
6 minutes, I'm here.
Yes, sure, no problem.
Okay.
So what's your profession on the Cambly, or you have any other thing?
It's not my only, it's my main source of income, let's say, but I also teach French and yoga, and I'm training to become a trainer. So I have several projects on the side.
Okay, so in order to improve my pronunciation like you, so can you suggest me any specific platform where I can practice my communication?
Well, I see that you're practicing on Cambly, and I think that's great. And what I advise all of my students is practice as much as possible and in as many ways as possible. And don't just focus on one skill like speaking, but also do reading, do writing, um, watch the news in English, watch movies in English with subtitles so you can learn new words and you can also develop your listening skills. Listen to music, do grammar exercises, so try to learn in as many ways as possible.
Okay, so yes, this is the one way to improve my communication. So, yes, that's great. So, I will be practicing from today onwards. And regarding the accent,
Mhm.
so will I need to take some special classes, or can you suggest me any software for that?
Um, I think this comes with time, and I'm not native myself, so I didn't speak like this in the beginning. But the more you practice your listening and your speaking skills, for me, it helped to listen to music, for example. And when I couldn't understand certain words, I had the lyrics in front of me and I would read and try to pronounce at the same time while I was singing. So it doesn't matter if you hit the notes. This is not about musical precision, but you'll see that music also helps develop your ear, like to hear words and to help you in pronouncing. And it's actually like a workout, like getting used to pronouncing certain sounds that are maybe not common to your language. So again, this comes with practice. Yes, there are some exercises that you can do, and actually realizing where you have to put your tongue against your teeth or how you have to move your mouth to pronounce certain words. So yes, this comes with practicing and
Okay, okay, great. Thank you. So, other than that, are you also providing any type of, I mean, interview related things?
do you mean job interview?
I mean, interview preparation.
Yes, you mean for an exam or for a job?
So, for example, if someone is asking me, introduce yourself, so what should be the relevant answer in brief?
In brief. So I guess you would be applying for a job in this case, right?
Yes.
So my experience is that it's good to emphasize something about you personally, about your personality. And of course, depending on the job that you're applying for, you should insist on some things that are relevant for that job. So mention something um, from your studies. For example, if you applied to be an accountant and you studied economics, you can
Yes.
say that I have a degree in economics. Mention your work experience if you have it, and mention something about yourself personally, what your hobbies are, what you like to do in your free time, something like that.
So for example, in short, if I am asking you this question, so according to your experience and your profession, what would be your reply?
If I'm applying to be a teacher?
Yes.
Well, I can say that I have the CELTA certificate, and I've been learning English for all of my life, and I've constantly been improving. And for the past year, I've been teaching English online on 2 platforms, teaching students of all ages and of all levels coming from different backgrounds. So something like that.
Yes, okay. Okay, great. I will be practicing in that way. And yes, nice to talk with you. So I think you have finished your time.
Yes, I need to go.
Okay, okay, no problem. Thank
It
you.
was
Thanks for
lovely.
your time.
You're welcome. I hope to see you soon, Mohammed. Have a nice
Yes, bye.
day. Bye.